So what I'm going to do in this video is turn the whole engine. I'm going to turn it by turning this bolt on the crank shaft. This is the crankshaft, and I'm going to turn it, make sure nothing is hitting each other like the valves or the valves and the piston. And then we're going to come back to these lines and make sure everything lines up, okay? So let me get this socket and we'll turn the motor. Okay, so here we are. We're ready to turn the motor. This feels pretty easy. Not that hard. It's not like I had to put a lot of force into it. See, just a little bit. Doesn't sound like anything is hitting. So what's happening here is these valves in the head are going in and out, and so is this piston in here, the big piston. So the crankshaft is connected to the piston, and so it's pushing up and down doing the four-stroke. See, this is not hard at all. So on this turn, we can line up this line right there. Okay, let's try that again. What we're supposed to line up is this right here. That, and then on the other side of the crankshaft is supposed to line up right here. And then this side over here is supposed to come up to here. So let's keep on turning it. And there we are. Yeah. Okay. So the moral of the story is that as I turn the engine, the valves and the pistons are not running into one another. And when I did put the belt on, I did have it lined up there, and we're here, here, and here. But now that I started turning the engine, I can't get those lines back, but I can get these to match. So I'm not going to worry about it, because I am getting the clearance on the valves and the pistons. So I didn't know that they were not. So you can see here that this thing that holds the engine in is kind of far from it. We got to get this to go here. So we're going to move the motor probably forward and over a little bit. So I'm going to get Rhonda to give me a hand. I'll be right back. I got my little helper with me, Rhonda. Say hi, Rhonda.
Hi, Rhonda. Oh, hi, guys.
So this is what we're going to do. Okay. So it looks like, if you look here, like we moved it back too much, because this needs to go in here.
Gotcha.
Okay, so we got to go forward with it, and so it could fall into there. So this could fall in here, and see, I'm under the oil pan. And let me see if I can fix this. Okay.
Do you need to lower the jack?
Probably. But there's the motor mount. And I have another. It's just important to see where you are. It's okay. So yeah, it's important to see where you are there. And the other motor mount is right there. Oh, let me put my fingers for those of you right here. Can you see? Right there. Okay. So we need to get that bolt into that hole up there. I don't know if you can see it. We're kind of far from it. To the right. There you go. You can see it. That bolt needs to fall into that line hole or whatever you want to call it. And then here. Wait, sorry about that. That needs to drop and go into that hole. Okay.
I know. I can't see. There.
Where is it? Right here. Yeah. Okay, so right there, where my pinky is.
Sorry about the filming, guys.
Okay, and then on the other side, it's right there. Point it right here. I can see it better right here. You don't have it. Can you see it? Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, right there.
Not when you shine the light in the camera.
Oh. Let me point it up. This guy right here. So now I gotta look for the bolts or the nuts. See what on the exhaust.
You don't need the.
Oh,
there.
okay. Ow.
Sorry.
Okay, so we'll put there's like some kind of a gasket here, and then we need the bolts for those two, which I don't know where they are right now. And so, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'm just gonna keep inching on this every day. So thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Sorry, but.